Assalamu alaikum students. We continue exercise 3.3 with question number 5, in which we are required to find out the values like log 32 by the values of log 2, 3 and 5 which are already given to us. The question is, if log 2 is equal to 0.3010, log 3 is equal to 0.4771, log 5 is equal to 0.6990, then find the values of the following, mean the log 32. So we have to find out the log of the given number by the provided values of log. So let's do it. As 32 is a composite number, we find its prime factor, and these are log 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. So 2 is 5 times, as in a product if bases are same and the powers are added. So according to law of sum of power, we have log 2 raised to power 5. As value is in exponential form, we apply the third law of log. According to this law, we have now we substitute the value of log 2. Gaining from here, log 2 is equal to 0.3010. On multiplying, we have 1.5050. So that is the value of log 32 we find by the procedure. Now we move to the part 4, in which we are required to find out the value of log 24. 24 is a composite number, so we have to find its prime factors, and these are 2 to the 4 to the 8, 3 to the 24. As 2 is 3 times multiplied, so it means the bases are same and the powers are added. So 2 raised to power 3 we can write log 2 raised to power 3 multiply 3. Now we learn how to apply 2 or more than 2 laws collectively in one step. So in this we observe that the values are in a product form, so it means we apply the first law, and there is an exponential form, so it means we apply the third law of log. So collectively apply first and third law of log. According to the third law, we write 3 log 2, and according to first law, we write plus log 3. Now we substitute the value of log 2 and 3, which we have given over here. Using calculator, we have 0.9030 plus 0.4771, and by adding these two values we have 1.3801. Hence, this is the value of log 24, which we calculate by using the given values of log. So now we do the part 3 of question number 5. In this we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction first, as well as we have to convert the radical form into exponential. Equal to log 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10 over 3, and the square root will change into whole power 1 by 2. As 10 is a composite number, so we write its prime factors, log 2 into 5 divided by 3 whole power 1 by 2. Now we have very interesting situation, as we now are going through that process, how we apply the laws of log collectively. In this we observe that 2 into 5 over 3 have a common power 1 over 2. It means we apply the third law of log, and hence 1 over 2 will be the common coefficient. Like 1 over 2 we apply bracket. In numerator we have log 2 into 5, it means we apply the first law, and as the value is in the ratio form, so it means we have to apply the second law of log along with it. So therefore we have log 2. Due to this multiply sign, the first law of log, we write plus log 5, as the single value log 3 is present in denominator. Therefore, according to second law of log, we write minus log 3. Remember, all the values which are present in denominator are written with negative log according to the second law. So that's why 3 is written as minus log 3. Now we substitute the values of log 2, log 5 and log 3 which are given to us. 0.3010 plus 0.6990 minus 0.4771. Using calculator we find the result of these values and we have 1/2 into 0.5229. By dividing 0.5229 by 2 we have 0.2615. By rounding, hence we get the value of log under root 3 into 1/3 is equal to 0.2615. We move to the part 4 in which we are required to find out the log 8/3. As 8 is a composite number, we find its prime factor, and that is log 2 to the 4 to the 8/3. As bases are same and the powers are added, according to law of sum of power, it can be written as log 2 raised to power 3 divided by 3. Now we apply the two laws, mean as the value is in ratio, we apply second law of log, and the value is in exponential form, 2 raised to power 3, we apply third law of log. So by applying second and third law of log on that part, we have 3 log 2. The third law is applied on numerator, and according to the ratio, we apply the second law minus log 3, as it is told earlier to you people that the value which are written in denominator with log, when we apply the law, second law, that value is written as negative log. Now we substitute the value of log 2 and 3 which are given to us. 3 into 0.3010 minus 0.4771. We have 0.9030 minus 0.4771. That is equal to 0.4259. And that is the answer of log 8/3. Now we move to the part 5 in which we are required to find out the value of log 30 by using these values. As 30 is a composite number, we find its prime factors. Log 2, 3 is 6, 5 is 30. As the values are in a product form, so therefore we apply the first law of log. According to the first law of log, we have substituting the values from the given, we have 0.3010 plus 0.4771 plus 0.6990. We have the value 1.4771, and that is equal to log 30. Hence that's it for the part 5 and question number 5. That is the last question of this exercise, and I hope you have learned how to use the laws of logarithm effectively. And as you have learned this, that will help you a lot in future when you use logarithms in mathematics and in other branches of sciences, as laws of logarithms are quite useful in calculating the different difficult problems of multiplication, division, exponential form, and as well as the radical form. You should practice these sums. Thank you.